This is the GuanLi P-51D. Almost ready to fly. Picked it up off of eBay. And let's have a look at what's inside the box. Alright, it looks like we've got some sheets of stickers, a little bit tatty, bit aged. This is a pretty old model, obviously, that's been lying around in the shed, has been put together, but looks like some basic instructions here. Yep. Put them aside. And what have we got here? The wing. Couple of props. Elevator. A few little scuff marks, a bit of wear and tear in the box. Looks like there's a, oh yes, there is a motor that will be replaced with a brushless. Looks like it's a brushed motor. Canopy, seems to be in pretty good nick. Balls and tape, a couple of wheels. Well, they certainly look better than the ones illustrated in the box, so looking a little better. Yep. A nose cow, which is pretty mish. It's funny. Spinner that will most likely be binned. Some glue, which I probably will be binning off, and a couple of wheel struts. So, yes. Alright, well, appears that everything's here. Should be interesting to see how this thing goes together. Pretty standard setup for these fairly cheap models, but yeah, well, interesting to see how it goes together. Stay tuned. So here we have our completed P-51 GuanLi, or however you pronounce it. I put my own electronics in this one. This was just classed as an almost. Well, that was a disaster. What a stupid thing to do. Anyway, hopefully the damage isn't too bad. Let's see how we go. Alright, take two. This time we'll be very careful and not run it into the couch. I don't think the cat would be too pleased. Hey Cozzy? Yeah? Anyway, I've now had to change the prop. Well, the prop was knackered. It's just the cheapies that came with it. But now I've bent the shaft as well in the altercation with the couch. So we now have a new, well, unfortunately a much shorter shaft. But now I've popped a prop saver on there. Well, it won't save, these props are so flimsy. But it might take a little stress off the motor if it crashes again. Let's hook this up and just run it through its paces. Set up a model in there for the P-51. Let's connect him up. Put the camera down for a second. Plays its little tune. The little housing is actually quite neat, so it's not a bad thing. A bit hard to do this one-handed. There we go, I'll just pull that back there. Got a little Velcro tab at the back. She just pops down on. So it's quite neat, considering. So, rudder. This is actually on dual rates at the moment, so that's all looking good. And beautiful. Spin her up just a little. Excellent. Now, just wait for the wind to die outside and hopefully we'll be able to go for a fly.